Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about new window in Adobe Illustrator. This window organizes your artboard in a simple way. I'm talking about align window. So let's start. First, to open align window, click on window and choose align. Now I have three options: align objects, distribute objects, and distribute spacing. First I will make some shapes like this, and now I will choose any color for them like this, and I will select the two rectangles. And first you should choose align to. You can align to selection or align to key object to make one shape like a key, and you can align to artboard. First align to artboard. To align to the border of your artboard, you can align to the horizontal left or center or right, or you can align to vertical top, center and bottom. And I can make a distribute, vertical distribute like this, or center bottom, or I can make left, center and bottom. I can also choose the space for the distribute by choose align to selection. Now I can align to the selection only. I can align to left, center, right, or I can align top, center, bottom. And I have also distribute, or I can make key object and I can choose the distance between them like 20, like this, to make the distance between them only 20 point. And I can choose all objects and choose align to key object and choose your key object like this. I will choose this circle and I can align to this circle like this. The circle will be the key object. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.